Making garam masala at home can be quite the culinary adventure. Imagine controlling every aroma and flavor with your own hands. My kitchen in Portland benefits greatly from this staple, adding depth to countless dishes. Don't settle for that mass-produced stuff. Start with a spice shopping spree: cardamom, cloves, cumin seeds, coriander seeds, cinnamon sticks, nutmeg, and black peppercorns. Finding fresh, high-quality spices is essential. Portland's local markets often have all these ingredients. You get quality, and you also support local traders. Roasting the spices is crucial. Use a dry pan on low heat, stirring gently until you catch that enticing aroma. This releases oils and intensifies flavors, but don't overdo it. The line between perfection and burn is thin. Next is the grinding. Pro tip: spice grinder or coffee grinder, whichever is more accessible. Grind until it's a fine powder. You might need to sift out larger chunks. Indeed, this attention to detail matters here. Your palate will thank you. Store your garam masala in an airtight jar away from sunlight. This prevents it from losing its potency. Ideally, you'd use it up in a month or two. Freshness is the name of the game here. And it's like keeping magic in a bottle, right? Like sprinkle it into curry, sprinkle into life. Just a teaspoon of this blend can transform a mundane dish into something that rivals your go-to Indian restaurant. I've jazzed up my weekly meal prep with it, always discovering new favorites. Common pitfalls: mixing too much at once can dilute flavors. So be batch wise. Also understand your personal spice tolerance. It's aromatic yet potent. Adjust the quantity in your recipes accordingly. There's no badge for overpowering your taste buds. Boost your kitchen skills. Experiment with variations. Add star anise or bay leaves for a unique twist. And it feels like crafting a personal signature for each new dish. Endless fun, endless flavors, keeps your culinary repertoire exciting and personal. Consider a rites of passage moment for any home cook. Master this and you've leveled up significantly. It's like knowing the cheat code to flavorful, authentic dishes without reaching for that fast food menu again. Why not make it a community event? Gather friends for a spice mixing party. In Portland, we love getting people involved and sharing the outcome. You'll soon be debating the nuances over who made the best batch. You won't believe the compliments you'll receive. And this homemade garam masala stands as a testament to your prowess in the kitchen. It has even sparked conversations at my dinner gatherings, a blend of spices, cultures, and memories. Finally, it empowers you. Creating something from scratch, using ingredients with purpose and care, brings fulfillment. In our fast-paced world, it reminds us of a slower, more intentional way of living. Try it and see. Your pantry might never be the same